Hey, welcome back into the garage again, and yes, we are working on the RS. Here it is, sitting there with its nice cowl and tail tidy. What we are going to do today is fit the rest of the bits. That is the rear wheel finisher, tank pad, the exhaust hanger and the front axle sliders. Now, the finisher, I got a bit excited when ordering stuff. Now this can only be fitted, obviously on the rear wheel, but look, the paddock stand goes in there. So if you fit the finisher, you can't put your paddock stand on. So I'm in two minds whether to actually fit it or not, or see how easy it is to take off and back on for when you fit the paddock stand. So less waffle as always, and let's get on with it. Almost forgetting the engine protection. So let's get them on as well. Right, today we're going to start off by fitting the engine protection. They sit along here. You have to take the frame bolts out, and you've got the nylon block that fits onto there, which is that. So these fit in there. You torque them up to 8 Newton meters. Take these engine mount bolts out. Now these need to be torqued up to 16 Newton meters. So now you've got the bracket, the shorter one at the rear, longer one at the front, and then refit those little bosses that were in there. No bosses on this side. They're quite flashy bolts, aren't they? And that is that. Engine protection done. Right, let's get rid of these foot pegs. So for the right hand side, and we're going to swap out that rear foot peg for this exhaust bracket. I did see some other ones. I think it might have been the Evotech one, which was black, which would look so much better. As I said, I got this as the standard one. It's really light. Maybe I could get it powder coated or Cerakoted. So that's held them in place, and then we've got two rubber bushings that need to go on here. Right, the front axle slider, I've already took the ends off it. Then we got that spacer, so there's the axle slider. I couldn't film it and do it at the same time. So that's that one. Next. So I didn't film that one because I forgot to press record, but we've put the tank pad on. Yeah, it's been a long day. Tank pad's on. Now for the finisher. And that is that. That's the finisher. Like I said, the jury's out with that one yet. And round this side, that's how it looks. So it's a shame it couldn't be designed in some way, shape or form that the paddock stand could still go through, but there you go. It's no big deal to take it off, seconds to take it off. So there we have it. So that is all the bling I have purchased through Triumph. So let's have a recap. We have done the tail tidy, not from Triumph. That was an AliExpress special. We have the exhaust hanger, removing the foot pegs. We have, as you've just seen, the rear finisher. We've got the tank pad. We've got the engine protection, the front axle sliders, and the biggest difference of all, that cowl. That makes a huge, huge difference. So that, for the time being, concludes the accessories for the 1200 RS. Thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks again to all the new subscribers. Really do appreciate it. Thank you very, very much. Take care, ride safe.